Hi everyone, this is Jason. Welcome back to the show. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. Today I'm going to show you a speech that I gave at a local college on how to buy Bitcoin, how to store it, and how to use it. It was right after the lockdown orders, so it was a video speech that I uploaded to the school's website, and it got pretty good responses, so I wanted you to see it, and hopefully the information is as clear to you as I hope it was to them. So that's next, but before we begin, please subscribe. Hi everyone, my name is Jason, and today I'm going to talk to you about Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is digital cash. With Bitcoin, you're able to send funds from point A to point B without someone in the middle. It's peer-to-peer electronic cash. Bitcoin was first proposed in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto in the Bitcoin white paper. Bitcoin was first produced and mined in 2009 and has since become a global phenomenon. People of all walks of life have become involved in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency space. I myself became involved in crypto in 2016 and has since worked as a journalist and a content creator. You can view my work at cryptoinsightsjournal.com or the associated YouTube channel, Crypto Insights Journal. So for this speech, what we're going to be talking about is how to get your first Bitcoin, how to store it, and how to use it. So first, you're going to need an entry point. And for most people, I suggest using Cash App. The reason why is because most of us have already used Cash App. And there's already a section built into Cash App that allows you to buy Bitcoin. So once you do your KYC, you're able to actually go into that section and purchase your first Bitcoin. So a misconception a lot of people have is that you have to buy Bitcoin at the price listed, and that's not true. What we're going to talk about is buying a portion of a Bitcoin, in this case, $20. So you tell the app that you want to buy $20 worth of Bitcoin in USD. It'll convert that into BTC, which is the designation for Bitcoin. You confirm it, you have it. Cash App is pretty much instantaneous. I mean, sometimes it can be slow if the network is slow, but generally speaking, as soon as you hit confirm, you're good to go. Once you have your Bitcoin, you're going to want to store it somewhere. So you have four main options. You have a paper wallet, you have a desktop wallet, you have a mobile wallet, and you have a hardware wallet. So with the paper wallet, it actually prints out the information of the crypto that you purchased, and it's something that you can store in a safe place and basically leave it there until you're ready to cash it out or exchange it for something else. Most people just leave it. You want to make sure you keep this in a safe place so that the ink on the paper doesn't get damaged and becomes unreadable. Next is a mobile wallet, and with mobile wallets, they exist on your phone. So for example, Edge Wallet is a very popular wallet to use. You can send Bitcoin to it. You can actually even purchase Bitcoin in it. But the main thing is that you're able to control everything from your phone. And if you want to exchange it for something else, you can do it from the app, and you don't really need that much more. Next is a desktop wallet. With a desktop wallet, the crypto wallet is on your computer. It gives you a lot of control and flexibility just because there's desktop apps tend to have more available features. The main feature that you want to take advantage of is password and two-factor authentication with a desktop wallet and a mobile wallet. If you can do those, enable them, use them, you won't regret it. Lastly is a hardware wallet, which essentially is a wallet that you plug into your computer, and then from that interface that the wallet provides, you're able to send and receive Bitcoin. So once you have all of that settled, you have your security features set up, you have stored and written down your keys, which are basically how you actually control your cryptocurrency. You have a private key and you have a public key. You want to make sure you have those in your possession because in some cases that's the only way to restore Bitcoin if something should happen to the device or the paper wallet that you have. Other options to restore your wallet is a seed phrase, which is a series of words. You always want to make sure you write those down when they're presented to you. No exceptions. After you have all that taken care of, now comes the fun part. Now you can buy stuff. So you want to go to a website that actually already has Bitcoin integrated into it, such as Tribala. Tribala is a travel website. It gives you an address to put into your wallet. It's a long series of characters that you put into your wallet, and then you can send Bitcoin to that wallet, to that address. Another option, which is actually a lot easier, is scanning a QR code from your mobile device or copying that address from the website into your desktop wallet. This is where the problem of hardware wallets and paper wallets come in, is that there's a little bit more maneuvering around you have to do in order to be able to actually spend the Bitcoin. So that's why a lot of people prefer desktop wallets and mobile wallets. So once you've sent the Bitcoin, you're going to get a confirmation that the Bitcoin was sent. You're going to get an email, hopefully back from the person you purchased from. It's best to do this with reputable websites. Look at reviews, look at what other people have said about these websites on social media. Don't just send your Bitcoin to any old person. This isn't like sending to an eBay salesperson or whoever using your credit card, because there's nobody to complain to. This is your money. You're responsible for it. So you want to always keep that in mind. So as you can see, it's not that hard to actually get started with Bitcoin. We covered how to get it, we covered where to store it, and we covered how to use it. So I hope this gets you started on your journey and that you'll look into it more for the sake of your own financial sovereignty.